Okay, everybody, today is the day. Lazarus is leaving. It's a very sad day. I hate to see it go. Like I said, if I would have had my way about it, I would have changed my mind a long time ago and actually not sold this one. So, anyway, that's life. So we're finally getting it out of here. And then we can get the grass mowed around it, since it's getting rather tall, as you guys can see. But yeah, today she's finally rolling out. Okay, everybody, so this is our last look at Lazarus. It's out of here. I hope the gentleman who bought it does it justice, and I hope he loves it. Kind of interesting, but we're offloading it from one tow truck to this tow truck. Why, I don't really know, but okay. So I guess Lazarus is getting a new set of shoes put on before he heads back. We're down here at Viking Tire. So this is it. I'm leaving it, and Lazarus is out of here.